y'all, it's Ken with 24 Grenadiers Airsoft Team, Squad Buddy Airsoft. I have a special box here. Airsoft GI did a limited run of 20 boxes last week with guns that were from Cisco's Armory. If you watch any of those videos, Cisco's a big guy, I'm a big guy. We depend on our stuff to function well. And we're never going to be the fastest people out there, so we have to make sure we run high quality gear. And usually I'm running as good as you can go without going HPA. I just don't want to go that direction yet. So let's take a look at this and see what we've got and see if it was worth it. So let's see here. Oh, and it's a surprise because it's wrapped up inside of here. It's a KWA QRF mod series. Let's see what's going on with this. It's Cisco's private collection Airsoft mystery box. 20 boxes only. So let's take a peek at this and see what I got. So it is an AEG. It is an electric gun. This is smooth. It's full metal, paddle style. The only thing I'm not a fan of with KWA guns is you usually have to run a KWA magazine. But that being said, this is smooth. I'm going to look into this to see what I've got here. I've got a feeling that I came out way better than the $200 listed. Yeah, it's full metal. It's a full metal flash hider. Yeah, I think that this one might have been one of my best deals I've ever gotten. Comes with some rail pieces, comes with the barrel cleaner. I'm pleased. Airsoft GI, you did a good job with this box, and I'm really excited to take a look at it. I'll post in the comments as to how much this gun goes for. My guess is probably between $259 and $330. Yeah, we'll take a look at it and see. But Airsoft GI, good job on this box. Check me out on YouTube, Squad Buddy Airsoft. Anything else that you can think of, let me know. We are going to be starting to plot out 2022 very shortly. If there's a specific box you want me to do, if there's a specific vendor you want me to try, let me know. In the meantime, Ken with Squad Buddy Airsoft, with 24 Grenadiers Airsoft Team, signing off. Thank you.